Hello everyone. Let's continue chapter 16, that is light. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is multiple reflection. Have you seen places where a number of plane mirrors are used? In textile shops, dressing rooms, hair salons, etc. we can see two or more plane mirrors. Why do we use more number of mirrors in these places? When two or more mirrors are used, light undergoes reflections many times from the different mirrors and we can see many images. This phenomena is called multiple reflection of light. If we place two mirrors parallel to each other, we can see infinite number of images in the mirror. Here in this picture, you can see the example of multiple reflection. We have taken two plane mirror and kept a small bottle. And you can see three images. So when we change the angle of this plane mirror, then the number of images also change. The number of images formed by two plane mirrors depends on the angle between the mirrors. You can do an activity to find the number of images formed when an object is placed between a hinged mirror. The number of images will increase as you decrease the angle between two mirrors. So, multiple reflection of light by mirror is used in many optical devices like periscope and kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope is used by fabric designers to create beautiful patterns. Many optical illusions such as endless tunnel and well of infinite depth can be created using multiple reflection. Here you can see a kaleidoscope and it is made up of two or more mirrors or reflective surfaces positioned at an angle to each other, usually forming a V shape or a triangle in a case. So what we do? We do a collection of colored objects and place it at one end of the mirrors and an eye hole is made at the other end. The colored objects could be simplest collection of ordinary buttons, beads or glass pieces. The sunlight bounces off the colored beads and the glass and is reflected in the mirrors to create beautiful patterns which you can see when you look inside kaleidoscope. So you can try to make a simple kaleidoscope. So, every time you peep through the hole, you will observe a different pattern. Designers of textiles, tiles, etc. take the ideas of designs from the kaleidoscope to make items such as carpets, fabrics, rugs and tiles. Kaleidoscope viewing can be a meditative experience that increases creativity. Now the principle of multiple reflection is used in a periscope. Here you can see a simple periscope. A simple periscope is a long tube that uses two plane mirrors. The mirrors are fitted into each end of the tube at an angle of exactly 45 degrees so that they face each other. When the light hits the top mirror at an angle of 45 degrees, it gets reflected away at the same angle. The light then bounces down at the bottom mirror and it is reflected again at 45 degrees right into your eye. A periscope lets you look around walls, corners or other obstacles. Submarines are fitted with the periscopes so that the sailors inside can see what is on the surface of the water. Periscopes are also used in the tank and the soldiers in bunkers. So how can we find the number of images? The number of images is denoted by n and it is found by the formula 360 upon x minus 1, where x is the angle between the mirrors. So the number of images formed in two plane mirrors inclined at an angle x to each other is given by this formula. When two mirrors are parallel to each other, the angle between them is 0, so they form infinite number of images.